Hello learners, in this video I will explain index function and find function of string. So let's take a string. Suppose a string is welcome to Vardhan tutorial. Now we want to find 2 from a string, then we will write print. Now the format will be string dot method. So string dot and function is find. In find we will pass what we have to find. So we have to find 2. For running this code we will click on this green run button. Run. See, output is 8. Why? Because 2 is found at index number 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is space and 8 index is 2. Okay. We can also specify the starting and ending. Then syntax is format of find is find. We will pass the pattern which we have to find. And second parameter is beginning. And third parameter is end. So we will start finding 2. Now beginning is 0 and ending is 10th. So it will start 10. This 10th mean till 10, but it will not include index number 10. Okay, now let's run the code. See, it is in between this range, so it is printed. Now if we reduce the range, find 2, now we reduces range to 6. It means from 0 to 5. See, it is not printed. So find, this find function is actually it is returning -1 when not found. Okay. So this find function, it is similar to the index function. Now index function will also return same index, but the difference is that at that index element is not found, then it will return an exception. See, let's run the code. Print string dot index. Now we have given 2 and range is 0 to till length of st. So it will match towards its end. See, for first line output is 8. For second it is 2 is not found in specific range from 0 to 6. So it is returning -1. In third index 2 is there. Now made a condition in which 2 is not found. So if we reduces the range 0 to 6, now 2 will not be present in range 0 to 6. Why? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is not there. Actually it will move towards 5 only. See, first line is giving output 8, second is -1 not found, third again 8, and fourth one is index error. Why? Because the substring was not found. So the difference between index and find is that find will return -1 and this will return exception when not found. Now there is one more function, that if we have to print index from right end, then we will use print string dot rfind. Now this rfind, it will find index from right side. Now we are passing Vardhan. So Vardhan will be searched from right side. Now let's run the code. comment, comment and comment. See, from right side, Vardhan is founded at index number 11. Let's move further. Now we will see the working of strip and split function. So let's take a string. Suppose our string is Vardhan and there is some space at the starting and some white space is there at the ending. Now if we want to remove this space, then we will use strip. So we will use print string dot strip. Now what this function will do? It will strip the spaces from left side and right side. See, output is Vardhan. Now if we only want to remove this left spaces, then we will write print L strip, left strip from left, and from right we will use R strip. Okay, so let's run the code. See, strip from both end it is strip, and L strip it is stripping from left side, R strip it is stripping from right hand side, left white spaces there in right strip. Okay, so this is a strip function. Now next function is split. So let's see what is a split. For splitting, let us take a string Suppose our string is Vardhan tutorial Python. Now if we want to split the elements, so for splitting we will write print string dot split, and we have to split it from comma, so we will use comma as a splitter. This comma will be inside the see. Now this split is actually splitting the string. It is splitting into three parts, and from what base it is splitting? The base is comma. From comma it will be splitting. Okay, there is one more method, that is join. So for joining we will write print, and suppose we have to join from this sign minus, then we will use dot join, and now we will pass the list. In splitting the list was this, so we will use this list only. Join now what this join will do? It will join all the elements. Now it will join. See, Vardhan, then minus sign, then tutorial, then minus sign. Okay.